Welcome. Delve into the culinary delights of various countries as we uncover their national foods. From Italy's famous pizza to Japan's delectable sushi, join us on a mouth-watering journey to explore the unique flavors and cultural significance behind each country's signature dish. Indulge in the aromatic spices of India's curry, savor the traditional taste of Mexico's tacos, and discover the rich heritage hidden within each plate. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the national foods that define these diverse cultures.